Hey guys, so here I'm just showing you all my spray that I put on my face to make me feel refreshed. Then my Sea Breeze, that's to dry out my skin and make sure that brows stick. Once I do use my eyebrow pencil, there I am, Fanny. Then I'm using a glue stick. I'm so sorry. Everything that I use in this video is upside down. But that's a glue stick that I got from the dollar store. And then that's some brow glue that I got from NYX. And it really helps. Keeps your brows in place, even when you're using the brow pencil. And you gotta let it dry for a little minute. But it doesn't take long for it to dry at all, y'all. At all. But you wanna use a Q-tip, or I use my little sponge. That's what I had in front of me to wipe the excess glue around that was around the perimeter of my skin. Then that's a Benefit brow pencil. It has different colors on it. And so there I am sketching my brows. And this is this is beginner friendly, okay? This is really beginner friendly. Next time I'll be showing a video of when I'm putting makeup on, how I do my brows for makeup. But this is just something simple if you just about to leave out real quick, or, you just don't want to be going out looking crazy with them brows. Yep, so and then I'm doing the top. You don't really have to do you really want your tip to be darker than the beginning of your brows. You don't really want it to be too dark. Yeah, so here I am sketching the other side of my brows. It really doesn't matter. Um, it does kind of matter, but in this video, it really doesn't, because you can use concealer to clean up any mistakes that you have made, and that's why I love concealer. And it really brings out the shape of the brows. But I know it looks a little crooked, and the lines don't look as precise, but um, yeah, so you can just use concealer to fix it. Any mistake that you make, even when you're doing a full face of makeup, and when you're concealing underneath the eyes and on the cheeks, in the middle of the forehead, concealer is everyone's best friend. If you are a makeup artist, or you just doing something, if you don't really do makeup. Yep, conceal is my best friend. Yeah, but to be honest, y'all, I got this brow pencil from Burlington, and it was my very first time using it. This is my first day ever using it. And it has different pencils inside of that silver pen. It has a conceal, it has the brow pencil itself. It has different colors, and I really like it. But this is my first time using it. I will be coming up with another video on how to use the regular pencil that you get from the hair store and some concealer. But I felt like this was just so easy. If you're in a car and you got that pen on handy to do your brows real quick, and make sure you have like a little brush, or you can use your finger like I did at towards the end of this video, and just buff it. Basically blend it really good. See that little pencil right there? That concealer right there? Oh my goodness. And just blend it. Yes, I love this pencil. This is like my first time, like I said, it's my first time ever using it. But I liked it. It really matched my skin tone. And here I go again. I'm just really buffing out those harsh lines that I had put underneath my brows. Just really trying to blend it. Blend it as much as you can. Blending is the key, y'all. And now I'm all done. All right.